All right, and we are live. Live, we are back, just like we never left. Trader Mavera in the building. It's been a while, 2 years since I did this, but I've been good. Needed a break a little bit, but we are back like we never left. So let's see what this season provides for us. Thank you, Heavenly Master. Thank you, Jesus, for this opportunity to be live again. I'm grateful, and I pray for your guidance and protection and grace and wisdom as we maneuver these markets. May profits be our friend. May profits be attracted to us. May profits find us by force, by fire, by force. Amen. In Jesus' name I pray. Amen. So now I'm looking for my YouTube on my phone. A little bit rusty here. So wait a minute. I haven't got an opportunity to get me a dashcam or a webcam, but I'm working on that. Trader Mavera, my videos. I need to see my live stream. Live, where is it? Look up. Trader Mavera. Yep, there we go. Found it. I just need to mute this though. Who's watching? Okay. I'm back. I'm back. This is no, it's okay. Who's watching? Would that be me? Yeah, that's me. Anyway, uh, let's do like a quick analysis. So I don't do those ranges. I don't know why they're there. That was just a test. Anyway, let's do a daily thing over here just to see what's happening. That was a drop. Do I have those levels anywhere? First of all, I do not trade US30 no more. I decided to give it a shot with US100, and I'm liking it so far. So let's do this. I'm just gonna put all this together in one group, and then I'll just do I will do what will I do? So let's do wow, we took down last week's low. Sorry about that. So there's really nothing we're heading to over here. Could that be a level they want to get to right there? That high. But what would it be? No. So let's do a weekly. I like the fact that we took that weekly low right there. So I think that is something I want to denote, and that's it. We took that weekly high. I don't think we're gonna be making that back today. Today's a Friday, so all I'm looking for is just like a small scalp, and I'll be good with that. This is previous day low. That's all I'm going to denote. I don't need to do the previous day high. Previous day low right there. We've taken out this old daily low over here. That one has been taken care of. Old daily low right there. Can we come for this one? I don't think so, but I'm just gonna mark it just in case we want to keep going down, which I'm not comfortable taking parts with, right? Old daily low, and I think we're good. We just took out this one too. So 1 2 3, we just took out the previous one. These levels that we could see trade come back to and form some sort of support probably, but I don't really care for them. So let's go down to the 8-hour. No, let's go down to the 4-hour just to see what's going on. This is a level that I was hoping that would, kind of hold price so we can remain bullish, but it was just, so that's a 4 hour breaker, which is no longer a breaker now, because it was the last up candle before we went down. So I thought that if we came down, that we'll maybe get to a half point, or even just wick to somewhere and then shoot up, but we just went down past it like it like it doesn't exist. So what am I looking for now? There's really nothing to do. So we've taken out an old daily low. It does make sense for price to start keep going up. So we're now in the previous 1 hour, which is something I like to denote as well. So that's the previous 1 hour, previous 1 hour low. But we will, when it gets to 12, I will draw the 11 to 12 candle high and up, and that can assist us with getting some trades, right? Bam bam. So that goes to 1 p.m. What else are we looking for here? What else are we looking for here, man? Let me get rid of this for now. So we do have this demand zone, supply zone up here, if that's a thing. So we might see price coming back up here, maybe down, up, down. So I'm gonna denote this like as a support and resistance area. That was the up candle that we went down, took all this liquidity up to at least that low, and these lows too were taken. We shot up, came down into that zone over there, used it as support, and then we shot up. So we might be going back to that zone right now to use it as resistance maybe. So I'll make it a little bit dark, and then we're just gonna watch that spot. So I'll just do like a 1 hour breaker, and I'll just do like a minus here just to let me know that it's a breaker on the other side. If that's a thing, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? What are you saying? So let's see if that's an area that we would like to come back to. Yeah, I like that. So let's go down to 15 minutes. Let's see what we're getting here. So I'm really interested to see if we can close above that candle over there, right? If we can close above it, then I'm thinking that we could see price come to this level over here. That would be a good retracement back. But today's a Friday, and then there's something they do after a long day. Price can just start to consolidate over here. So we'll do that as a 15-minute stuff, and I'll call this a 15. I don't know if I have a name for that, but I'll call them bumps. So I'll just do like a blue 15 bump, and there's like a small fair value gap over there, if you can see it. If we can inverse that would be nice, and we can use that as a whatever going up, but we'll see how that goes. So let's just jump down to the 5 minute, and I like this already. So this is something I'm supposed to be participating in as we speak, but since we just came from so there's a breaker right there. 5 minute, that's a small one. The last up candle before we went down, and then we shot up, we left that fair value gap over there. I don't know if that's something they would like to come in and use, so we'll just be very, very, very these are levels we can use for the rest of the session. So maybe they can come down and dive into that and shoot up, use that, and then we could come up to this level over here. Maybe. I like how we've dealt with this fair value gap here. That's already dealt with. We just have a small portion not closed. Maybe I can just denote that. Just a small portion not closed. Now if we keep going down, then I don't think that I have so much to do. Maybe I can use this low here. Hmm. If we close up below here, then we can see price keep going down, because as you can see, the daily candle is just bearish, and we've taken that low and that low and that other low, at least three. So we should see a reversal here now. We have a second person in the chat. Who would that be? Who would that be? It's been a while since I did these live streams. Second person in the chat. Welcome. I'm looking for longs here on a super bearish day. On a very, very, very bearish day. So this right here would be an aggressive entry for long, but I feel safe taking a trade from above this zone over here. So let's see what the 1 minute looks like. We are now trade. Yes, I'd love to see us trade above that high for me to take a long. Let me see what my EMAs are telling me. Wow, there's really good setups in the morning. 6:30 to whatever. That trendline break over there. That's your entry candle. Easy to look at them once it's done. But if you took that trade, you should have met your targets. What would this market want to do now? What does it want to do? Why is it too fast? Okay, whoever it is has left. The whatever. Thank you for showing up, though. Now, am I comfortable taking a shot here? Because clearly, we got something here. There's a trend line right there. Another one just formed. We're into that sweet spot. We're still bearish. We've taken an old daily low. But I am not convinced, though. I'd like us to trade above the high right there, and probably now above this one. So then I think, I don't know, I just don't know what's going on, bro. US 30 still bearish. US 500 extremely bearish. They do have their bumps over here, so that's the first US whatever bump right there. I'll do blue. US 30 also has a small bump over there. Right there. So where are we? We're looking at US100. Very tricky. Let's see what US oils are doing. Okay, where's the dollar? The dollar is also going up. That's funny. That was the first bump. Oh, that's a breaker right there. First up, we went down, and that breaker looks solid. That's so sweet. That right there will be my entry. I must stop loss just below the breaker and then see where we could go. Probably to at least that imbalance right there. That's a valid trade. So now we know that if Dix is going up, then this one needs to be going down. Doesn't have to happen like that, but that would be a great scenario. So we would see Dixie, we would see this fail, then maybe these ones will be released to go up. I don't know. We'll find out soon and very soon, soon and very soon, soon and very soon. Now looking at this, I think might be early right now to make a decision if to go up or not. So what I'm gonna do is I might just chill and not do nothing today. And now that I'm live streaming, it's kind of like a different vibe. I don't know. Maybe I shouldn't do this. I'm more nervous now. I'm very nervous. I don't know. Mm-hmm. Hi, hello. That used to be my setup. And I think I'm gonna take this, hi, hello. Break of structure, we break that low right there. And everything is checking out as we speak. Trendline break, we do have another one here, in the 1 minute time frame. We have closed above, no, we haven't closed above the high. And there's a fair value gap in there, 5 minutes. So yeah, but the problem is this one here. So I don't know, man. You see that right there? That's another 5 minutes. So if we go to 1 minute, we can see like there's something going on over there. So what in the world is going on? In terms of my EMAs, I should only be going short, but then we've been short the whole day. Do we still have any shorts left? Do we have any shorts left? So clearly, I think I should just stay out. Nothing is clear for me here. Nothing is clear for me. I just don't feel. I'm not feeling it. I am not feeling it. I am not feeling it. We could do anything from now on. I think on the 5 minute we have this low and that high. So what I'm gonna do is if we close above this high, then I might take a small trade. See if we can come up to this zone over here, or maybe take those highs and kind of go back. And how many points would that be? Like 200 points, 219 points. 100 points will be just fine. If that's how we count these things. 101 points. So looks like we're breaking down to keep going down further, which makes sense because Dixie is going up on top of that breaker. So I might just take a trade here and just go down with it. Wait a minute, where's my US100? I'm gonna take a small trade here. Now that we broke that trend line, we just broke structure. High, low. Those that trade head and shoulders. We have something here. Boom. That's the left shoulder. That's the head. That's the right shoulder. And the neckline is just right there. So we break it. Stop loss I think should be what? Above the right shoulder. And we have a setup here, I guess. So do I sell this? Now we've come into that 5 minute business over there, right? Now we're likely to go up after this rejection. So what I'm gonna do, I'll take that sell, just a small whatever. Then my stop loss just above this high here. And I don't know what we should go for. Oh, my target B. My target will be that high to that low, right there, to that one symmetrical swing, right about there. Let's see if we get something. If not, it's all good. It's all good. How much we risking? 0.48 on this demo account. Okay, that's a nice breakout. Head and shoulder right there. High, low. Break of structure. However way you want to put it, that's supply. Yeah. Is that supply? I don't know. Look how we just touched that trend line. Now we're going back up. Interesting, right? Touch point 1, touch point 2. Right there. What would be the probability that I was off a little bit, and how off I was is where price came and touched. Interesting. Fair value gap right there. Now, if we yeah, I think the best. I don't know. Nothing looks good for me here. I'm not gonna lie. Nothing is checking out here. We traded below that old daily low. That should be it. So why? Why? Okay, we in some little profits there. Mm, we entered on this candle anyway, or this one, I don't know. With a breakout, stop loss right there, and we're looking for 1:1:6.4. Excuse me. hmm Okay, we broke that trend line, so I'm gonna just get out of that. So this is really checking out. Let me look at the 5 minute structure here. We do have like that 5 minute fair value gap, right? We should see a send price up. We're still inside of that. No, it's still not a breaker though, because I usually like to see price candles close above what I'm calling a breaker, right? So let's see how this goes, man. I'm not feeling this day at all. I am just not feeling it. No overlap mode. Use the context menu over position. I don't know. That was that now. I don't know. So we're now on a daily US 30. High probability has to come and take that low. So all daily low. Come on. There's a very high probability it's gonna come and take that low. US 500 already did. Traded to a daily order block right there. Right there. US 500. US 30 on a 5 minute time frame. How about US 100? Did you trade below that low? Yes, they did. US 30. March, Friday 21st. Friday 21st, US 100. Friday 21st. So that could be what, a SMT on a daily scale. But what's the probability that US 30 is gonna come and trade towards this low on a long bearish day? Very high. Seems like we are retracing back up, but I don't know what's going on here. We are bouncing up. Touch. 1 minute is giving us a different story. Let me see. We are way below 50. Let me look for some music here, man. Okay, we're going up. Copyright free music. Copy. Right. Free Christian dance music. Let's just be Christian music. Who's pregnant? Was pregnant with Omarions. Oh crap. Okay. Good to know. Non-copyrighted music. Non-copyrighted Copyright for blogs. Study, chill, clean. Let's see what they're saying.
I feel like you did it for me. It's the way your love feels. It's the I know telling you it's coming is like preaching to the reverend, but somebody had to tell you. Sit back and let it settle.
Oh, nice. Okay, we can listen to that. I hope the music is not so loud though. Do I have to like shout them out on my comments? I think I do. Yeah, it'd be nice if you give us links. So I think I'm gonna just take that link and then go to my description and put that over there just to give a shout out and also acknowledge that we use the music, you know. Yep. So if you love the music and you just go click on the whatever on the link and check them out. Okay. Who are they? Arie. She got some music. Let's check her Instagram. Don't you let them down days fester. Don't you let your friends peer pressure. It's their time, tell them bless up. Cause when it's yours, floodgates from heaven. I know, telling you it's coming. Like preaching to the reverend, but somebody had to tell you. Sit back and let it settle. God pulling strings like your pedal. Don't put your faith. Alright, Aria, we see ya. It ain't in your cause, but God aligning the stars. You deserve a lot. Ari. Everything you want already yours. If you believe it, that's the hardest part of receiving. I'm watching my own stream and I'm like, yo, we just finished checking it out, but y'all still there. Cause I'm now on the charts. Oh man, that is some serious delay. No, we just went back up that break right there. I don't like it. So this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna pull like a buy stop over here. I'm gonna do like that's the problem now because of all these drawings you can't do nothing. Trade buy 20. What I'm gonna do is just close half. Buy 10. Damn, sorry. Modify order. So wait a minute. Buy stop. What would that be, bro? What would that be? I'm buying back what I sold here. Actually, let's see how that works. Buy stop 10. So that should reduce this to 10 too. It can be a sell stop because that would no sell limit. I should have done a buy limit, bro, not a buy stop. Should be the same anyway. It should work the same. I'm gonna do a buy limit, not a buy stop. Oh shit. What do I do now? Bro, what happened? Okay, we can do a second entry at the break of this low. That's a beautiful break to the downside. Why lie? Everything is covered up right now. That's just nuts. So that 5 minute is covered. It's traded to There's no fair value gap no more. So either it's a cleanup to keep shooting down. What would happen here now? But that's kind of too late to take a trade. What you think? Or maybe they want to do it with respect to what USD is doing, right? Because USD, I'm sure, not that I'm sure, but it would like to get to this low. So what will happen with the next of them is they'll just follow. So I'm gonna buy once we break. I'm not feeling this trade though. Why lie? Where am I last now? Jesus Christ. That was a very nice break right there. I'm gonna sell that. So my stop loss should be above this high, but that's too no. Break over trend line. My high should be above US200, but we're not gonna make nothing. So in this case, I'm just gonna have it right there, and I'm gonna take a risk. Ooh. Let's see how this works, because we do have that high and that low that's forming, and then we have this fair value gap here. That will let us know if this trade is valid. I'll fear no evil, for thou art with me. Let's see how that works, guys. Let's see if we can get some sort of some resistance from that fair value. That would be a really nice place to enter, actually.
Okay, because I found this last minute. I went looking up on, They do like it's a good view, but the other one, y'all, I'm sorry.
So they didn't come into that fair whatever. I would have loved to see them get there. Let me see what US30 is doing. US30 wants to get here. Why lie? So I'm gonna do like an alert. So once we get there, we just close our profits if we do get there. US100, just stick on the 1 minute for now. I would have loved if you guys came in here, but they didn't. And they are flowing away from us. I don't think I should let this trade leave me now. If we break that low, I think we did. It's now 11:40. Should I wait for 11:50? My stop loss is just above the high right there for another 550, and I'll just have my TP as long as we keep moving down. This right here is gonna tell me if I should get out or not, because I feel like US30, USDT has a good setup. I think they'll keep pushing until we get to that old daily low right there. I have my alert just before, so we can know what to do when we get there. Why did they not come in there and then shoot down? Okay. Mm-mm-mm. Mm-mm-mm-mm-mm. Mm-mm-mm. Mm-mm-mm. Mm-mm. Mm-mm-mm. Mm-mm. Mm-mm-mm. Mm-mm-mm. And the wait. Kingdom and the glory. Mm-mm-mm. This is usually like a bad place to trade when after a long down day like this, and then it starts to trade sideways. Yeah, the best thing to do is 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 identify a range, so like that high and this low, and then kind of wait for what? Kind of wait for either of those sides to be taken out. Here's a kingdom and the glory. Mm-mm. As of now, we are bearish. US30 is looking good, man. I'm sure. Oof, it's looking no bad. Let me see from the 5 minute. Yeah, still has some unfinished business down here. US500, that's okay. Just resting a little bit before going down. So, but who knows what these guys are gonna do though? Who knows? Who knows? Who knows? 15 minute now. Bump. Still looking bearish, strong.
Baptized in Christ, he saved my life. He sacrificed his own for mine. So I'm diligent and obedient, or at least I try. I wish I had a dime for the time.
Why are we leaving this open?
They love to hate, I don't care what they say. Laugh while I listen, staying in my lane with the
Head, shoulder, head, shoulder.
never mind, I think it's
Hi, 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 hello, break of structure. From that higher low to the new low, higher. What would that be? Higher low, new low. That right there will be an ideal entry. Right there, 50%. I just 6.2 and then make that mullah. Yep. Let me see. That where that trend line is. Oh wow. See what I did there? I'm a corner to the corner. I think that would be a nice place to take TP. I like. Just right, no, right here will be optimal for me. Right here will be optimal if we did get to that zone. That would be a nice place to just get out. Three to 3.6. All right, we spooled into the downside, which is good. That means US30 is flying. You know, let's just do this. Let me see. I want to watch that US30, what it's doing. It's the only one that didn't get that low, and it's walking towards it. Let's have it on the 15 minute. Kind of see what they're doing right there. I like those candles. Too bearish. You're too dark for me. Make you a little bit light. All right. Still, I'm the only one in the chat. Oh boy. 2 years break. Used to be like 5 now. By now, wait, that's the most I got anyway. Now it's just me. We're gonna start again. And it's all good. Because we profitable as Father Abraham had many sons. Man, 290. That's what you get a shift. Jesus. Just made that in what? Okay, let me play around with US. I want to check something on the 5 minute time frame. No. Nothing is clear here, boys. Girls. This is what I like to see when sometimes I'm in a trade and I see such things. I like it. Just give me some psych that hey, we could be going down further. We could be. That's the main word. That's what the main word I use. We could be. Now I want to see us close below that low, below that swing low, which I think we will on US 500. But anyway, I'm not micromanaging, so let's just chill to our guy here. Oh, this is US 30 right there. US 30. Come take out this low. You can do it if you want to. There's a fair value gap right there. I like this a lot. So that 5 minute we traded below it, right? And then we came in, used it as an inverted fair value gap now. And if you look closely, we do have a 5 minute fair value gap right there. Oh, that's good. So what was this? This is just that bump. I wanted to, okay, but we did go up and down. Wait a minute. I wanted to use this as, if we trade above it, then we're going up. So I don't think we need that level no more. Because in this case now, we'll just use, I don't know. I think we're gonna keep going down. At least take those lows, maybe get to that one, and I think we'll be getting down there soon too. To right about 12:30, I'd like to see as the price keeps pulling down. Now looking at the Dixie, they had, wait a minute, it's failing, bro. I'd have loved if these guys just came in and kept going up, but they are short. That little bitty turn line right there, bruh. If they do close below here, then I think our longs are low probability. So I'm gonna do an alert right there, letting me know that yo gold, Bitcoin. Oh man, look at Bitcoin. Just a down day. US 100. Yeah, we're kind of reversing on that setup. Not looking good. So I'd like to know where, but my stop loss is just too tight. Let's see what happens now. It's now 11:50. That's the macro open right there. This is something we got from Trader Team. macro open. We just went up and then we close below it, then you should see price keep going down. What is Dixie doing? Okay, just go back to US100. Let's look with Dixie right here. Yeah, just get out, bro. We're not trading Dixie, do we? Yeah, I want this zone to hold. No, there's a break around. But what is a break on what time frame? 5 minutes? No. The 15 minute. Ooh. 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 I'm thinking of changing these colors back to red. Oh, where are they? Scales and lines, canvas. Where are my candles? Trading. Wait a minute. Oh, symbol. Settings. Is it a symbol? Yeah, that right there. Just carry black back to red. Wick stays black. Wait a minute. Red. Something's off. Black. No, just be green. No. No way. I don't like that. It's not gonna happen. Oh, no. Let's just go back to how it was. Yeah, those threads are just giving me bad vibes. Alright, so we're in drawdown as we speak. A little bit of some drawdown right there. Now we just wait. I feel like I should just close this trade, honestly. Because what I'm thinking is I should wait for a retracement back into whatever they do establish as the low of the day. And that will be to at least what, 12:30. But in the meantime, our structure, everything is it just says bearish. If we do close above this high, I think there's a high probability that we can just see price keep going up. So if I was to take all these drawings away and that indicator right there and just go down to a daily, I think could that be the low of the day? And now they want to retrace back into the range. I don't know. I just don't know. I like how they just left those two highs over there together, which means nothing, but it could be something. Alright, I'm gonna take away that nini now. So we are in drawdown, close to 0.5%. And now we've traded to that fair value gap right there. We just touched it. Now will they send this thing down further? That would be a nice place to add something. Maybe we could. So I just added a little bit based on that low. See if we can respect anything over there. But in terms of a breaker, we do have that up candle. We went down, we closed above it, so we could be using it. That's just a resistance right there. Macro open. Yeah. Uh-oh. Not looking so good. Yeah. It would be nice if we did not trade above half of this candle here. So half will be right there. We can just stay below it. That'll be really nice. And let's see how this closes. Touch, touch, touch. Next candle is right there. US, whatever is really going up right there. I like those lows. So what they're going up to do, I think we're just gonna keep going down. Well, let's see how that looks. So we're watching on the 1 minute time frame here. Does the macro open? I'm hoping that that's the manipulation. Then we come down for distribution to the downside. Just got a notification. So that's just time distortion, I guess. Not looking so good on our shorts, but stop loss is just right there to do its job, so we're good. We just closed above that fair value gap, so now the probability of this trade is kind of so low, very very low. So what I'm gonna do is just close, because see we're now using it as support now. Yeah, it's so super low. Let me just reduce my losses on this side. We're just about to take that high. The probability of that high being taken is so high. And yeah, so I will take another trade at 12:30 maybe, or just leave it alone. But yeah, I'm just gonna close right there. So I just took a loss, just a few bucks, and we might be losing $1,000 on this. You don't do that now. You better come up and trade above that level. I just came out. It's all good. That happens. So we are now above that trend line right there. Maybe using it as support now to shoot up. Anyway, I was not feeling this too much but I just feel like we should have gotten to this point at least. I'm not willing to go back in again, so I'm just gonna watch price. Today just didn't feel so good. It just didn't. I wasn't feeling it. What happened to our music? Let's see if we have another playlist. Next. Same girl? Yeah. Okay. Look at this. Alright, can we reverse this thing? Maybe. I just don't see anything clear until after this high. But a long day and now we're going sideways. It's now 12. So what I'm gonna do is I took a loss, so that needs to be written down. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna hide, and then I'm gonna delete everything. Okay, we are in between the previous one hour. Yeah, and in between this other low right here. So we are in between those levels. So I like it when we just take one side out and then going back to the range and kind of see if we can keep going up further. So we'll see how that works. We'll see how that goes. Oh wow. That is why I kind of like to submit to my losses. Problem is, this only happens once in a while though. Once it gets up there, yeah, your stop loss is going out. Most likely. I like how you're using that as support. We do have this up candle, then we went down, closed above it, and we're using it as support, and we're shooting up. Same thing on as this one. So yeah, there's a high probability that we are going up, and all of this will be taken. But I was still focused on just lows, so it's all good. It's all good. New entry. Where? Raj Patil. He commented and said new entry. Where, brother? Like going up or going down? Thank you for joining the stream. You say new entry. I didn't see that comment till now. Yeah, so this is that's a good entry right there. We just traded below that all daily low. Even though we left some equal lows down here, so relative equal lows. That is something that'll be a nice long YLI. So that's the up, down. If we trade above that high, then I think we could be going up. So I'm gonna change my bias to ups. Let me close this. I don't want to lose this. So I'm just gonna put them in a group like that. Okay, a stop has been taken on this side. It's all good. What else? Okay, that can stay. So I think I'm gonna change my bias right about now. Look for another entry. So once we take out the high, if we close above the high, then I think I'll try go long. I don't know if that's a good idea, but it will just be something I'm willing to lose though. Is that a good idea? I don't know. These lows are just too equal for me, for my liking. I don't know. That's the previous 1 hour. 1 hour candle. I like how it's going up though. We left. I'm gonna put all this in one. Go away. Okay, now we clean. Whatever's happened has happened. 2 minutes to the close of this 5 minute candle, and then let's see if we can use this as a support now to keep going further up. We have inverted that zone, right, that 5 minute or whatever right there. So, and then we also have a 5 minute fair value gap over here. Now we also gotta be careful though, because we got as much as all that has happened, these are just two equal lows, but it's okay because we took a down low, that low right there. So our new bias could be something like that. Stop loss just below that breaker, that those 1 2 3 candles before it went down, and then we could see if we could come and kind of chill right there on that unfinished business. Wow, that would be a nice RR while I, if we are to trade up that much. So I'm willing to take another trade, and if this one doesn't work, then that's the only risk I can afford for today. We do have that whatever, so I think it would be safe if I put my stop loss just below this candle here. I feel much safer doing that. And then we're just gonna close our eyes and assume that that's not there. The market is not always clean, so once we close, I want to put a buy order right here, buy limit. My stop loss goes just below this candle here. Let's see how that works. If we're snapped, it's all good. We close the day right there, right now, and we call it a day. Is that like a strong long? Oh, not really. Not really, because what we have is that 5 minute whatever down there that was closed. It closed here. Wait a minute, that's a wrong entry, my bad. Because we were supposed to close above, so that's a mistake entry. If we close above, then yeah, we did not close above, so I'm not gonna take that trade. I need to see that body close above. Until then, we just chill. Now let me tell you what I would like to see is if we came, traded below these lows, and then came back inside this range and then go back in. So actually that's what I'm gonna wait for, and if not, then I don't think we have a trade. That's what I'm gonna wait for. That's what I'm going to wait for. Is that music too loud? Let me turn it down a little bit. I think that's the lowest it could go. Okay, that's okay. That was just me trying to, do my thing right there. Come down, brother. Do your thing. Come back. Let's go. Raj Patil. Shout out to you, man. RP.
Keep me till I hear the trumpet. The intro is not the end. And every tear that I shed, you keep account of it. You won't put it to waste. Troubles are temporary. I've tasted, I see your grace. I pray that you will keep me till I see your kingdom come. Glory, hallelujah, the day that I see your son. So little time, so little time.
US30, what you doing, boy?
May your will be done till the day I die. So little time, so little time. May your will be done till the day I die.
Yeah, those equal lows, I don't like them at all. So we're just gonna chill, bro. Na, 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 na. we're still trading inside the previous 1 hour. Yeah, bro, we just have to chill. Trade high, then come going down. I love to see us go down, bro. Down candle went up, took some liquidity, then broke that low right there, or even this one. So that would be a nice shot. Because I'm thinking we're coming to take these lows. Why lie? Why lie? I don't want to jump into that trade, but there's a high probability that looking at the 1 minute, what I'm seeing, and my this EMAs here, we just broke that trend line and that signature right there. I just lost a trade right now. I'm not so. I don't know. Yep. The music's so loud, man.
Just one simple lie caused me to lose.
But the 5 minute doesn't agree. It does not. Yeah, it's crap. Well, if it does agree, then that would be a 5 bearish order block, right? If we can close below it, and that will be a nice high time frame confirmation right there from where we are. So let's see. I just need that body to close below that candle over there, because I think this is something that we can come for. Yep. Now we do have some resistance here. That inverted fair value gap 5 minute, and then this one, the fresh one here. So in 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yeah, that's too shallow for my liking. So we do have a breaker with a fair value gap. That would be a trade for me. While if I didn't take that loss that we just took, that right there would be a short. We just traded to this big order block here. One up candle to shoot down. We've left these candles here. What would you do, my guy? What would you do? Would you take that shot? Hesitation. Up, down, up. This one I just drew it there, so you know what? I don't want to take any longs until we come below this low. Is when I'll take longs. So for now, I'm changing again to bearish. Is that what they call versatility? And I think I'm gonna take that trade. Why lie? I'm just gonna take it. A little bit late to the party, but let's see what that does for us. I like it. Down candle, shot up, came down, and then we have that fair value gap right there. The price just entered, so that would be a nice shot with our stop losses up here. But I did a late entry a little bit, so the aim is to take out these lows and then maybe see if we can still get down here. I don't know. So I'm gonna do that quick shot on this side to see if we can just make our loss back. How much am I risking? Just 25. No. Don't fear. Okay, what's going on now? It's 12:17. My stop is just above the high, right? Wait a minute. Is it? That's too far, brother. My stop should be right there. It's okay. No, stop should be below this high. That is something that we might I want us to take these lows. Now, is Dow Jones also still likely to take those lows? I think it is most likely to. Once we take these lows, I'm gonna break even that position. So this is how it kind of look like right now. I like that drop. We kind of entered a little bit late. I don't blame myself. I just took a loss, so there's usually some form of hesitation over there. Are we likely to get down here? Maybe. But once we take these lows, that will be a nice break-even position right there. Right now we're looking good. Break over trend line right there. And that breaker formation down up, boom, just below 50. That'll be a nice trade. And that's a second fair value gap over there with the stop loss right here. I'm gonna do something stupid right now. I'm gonna do like a what, $10 entry right now, but I need us to trade away. I'm gonna do a new entry with my stop loss just above that. This doesn't agree, but we just closed above that fair value gap, so that's a low probability now. I don't like that. If we just came in here and then shut down, that would be another good entry. How much we're risking? Just 0.6%. That's okay. We just came in there again. I like that. How do we look like on the 5-minute? A rejection to the upside. And then today being a Friday, what are they gonna do? Do they want to just stay in there after a long down day? What's going on, man? And the spread, what is that? Damn. You wanna come for my stop loss again? Come get it. I don't care. I don't care. I don't care. Come get it. Hurry up. So back at that breaker again. Let's see how that works. The problem is we now have no up, down. Yeah, we do close above this one too. So we got two breakers. We got this one and this one on a lower time frame, but inside the range too. So inside the range. I feel like we can get rid of this one now. We got the point. Ooh, look at that rejection to the downside. I love it. If we close again below this fair value gap here, down one, I will take another small entry with my stop loss just above there. And that will be nice. What time is it? We got like what, 6 seconds? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Boom. I'm in. Yeah, I should add some more. I added some more. I'm gonna bring my stop loss down to here. That area right there. I'll make just above that breaker there. And we are going down. I just need to make my loss back. How much was it? $32 on this side. How much we lose on this demo? 56 bucks over there. Okay, take out that. Oh, wait a minute. What am I seeing here? What am I seeing here? So going down to the 5-minute, we just traded above and below these zones. I'm just gonna get rid of them now. Support. If we close below, maybe use that as resistance. That would be nice. Maybe it was too soon to move that stop loss, but I have it just above that high. Because we do have some unfinished business here. If we do close above this this candle, I will close these trades. And then that'll be me done for the day unless we come and take these lows. But I've been getting excited with these down candles. Let's see what happens with that zone right there. We can stay below it. It will be nice. It will be really nice. Stay below that zone, bro. Where is the macro open? It's still here. But we already have passed that macro anyway. Macro open. Down, up, close below. Break of structure was right here. My own opinion. Down, up, or just below that other block over there that we're now using. Okay, let's see how this works. Oh shit. No. You have to close that. That was a mistake trade, bro. How much am I risking though? You gotta close that one. We don't do that no more. If we do mistake trades, we take them out immediately. We don't sit and hope. So I do have an entry right with my stop loss right there. Trading view will kind of combine all your entries. That was a bad entry. But an entry is an entry anyway. It's all good, bro. It's all good, boy. Okay, we need something here.
Lord, you're greater, greater than all my biggest fears. Stuck in barren land, but I'm always reminded that you're near. What you say, Lord, I will do. Lord, I'll always trust in you.
These are the worst conditions to trade in, man. So let's just chill. It's a Friday. We only have like what 1.5 hours to market close, and pretty much what like 36 hours to 36 minutes to 1 p.m. Hey, that's too loud. Yep. Okay, and I think it should be copyright free instrumental. Ain't no instrumentals, bro. Royalty free, no copyright Christian music playlist 24. No ads, okay, instrumental worship. What's my trade doing here? Okay, we're looking good. US30, I feel like there's a high probability, wait a minute, that they will get to this zone right here. See this daily low over here? I feel like they could just come and smash that. So let's see what they want to do. Damn, that's just tough, bro. Very tough. But I'm kind of confident with this trade. That looks so good. How far we expand, I don't know. So we do have like a 1 minute swing low to swing high. So right about there, just below that 1 hour, right about there will be a nice TP, take TP area. So hopefully, honestly speaking, the swing low is this one. That's the swing low, but that's too soon. There's no money there. So you know what? I'll just stick to what I'm thinking will happen. This will be taken out and we'll have a huge spool down here. And then I'll take my profits, whatever I've made. I don't know if this one still stands. Yes, it does. That low to that high, we are still in there. So let's see if we can get to this point down here. That would be really nice. Okay, we're now currently in some profits. Let's see how that goes. That was a nice entry right there. That's kind of what, you know, kind of want to know the OTEs that really work. and you can just enter right there. So this one would be the only trade I would have entered if everything was perfect. And I see us keep going down. So right there we have 1.79. That would be like a 6R if everything was perfect. So it looks like we shall be taking out this previous 1 hour low. And what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna let this trade run without me having to do all these things. Right here, let me just have that low right there. Get rid of this. This will be one. What am I doing? One SD. Then I have it like one, so that I know this. It's a 1 minute manipulation leg right there. So this right here is the macro open, which I don't think it still matters. I don't know. We're already way past 11:50. We're now in that 12:15 to whatever. So now we are just about to get to that 12:30, where we do see some volume coming. Looking at what we have, I think we should see this market keep going down. Well, that's what I want to see, honestly. 12:29. One thing I didn't do today, man, I didn't look if there was any news, bro. I always forget that point. There's no news. 5:30 and 7 a.m. Okay, so we're good. Dow Jones doesn't want to go down. What was that? What was that reaction? Hey, no more music? That music was nice. Oh, yeah, I didn't want the type beat. Christian music, Hillsong worship. You know what? Let's just play whatever was there. That was cool music.
It's worth every penny, and then
Is it? I like that. Let's see what US500 is doing. US100. Too bad I can't have 3 windows for now. Yeah. Whoa, 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 whoa. That's what 1230 does, man. We are more likely to take this low before we go take the high. Let's go, baby girl. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. I like that. We might be making back our loss today. I lost like what, $33 on this side. How much we lose on this side? $1,000. 28th. Whoa. So 1,000, 1,200. We're looking at 3,000 if we do get down here. My suspicions are US30 wants to come here. I haven't checked on Dixie, what Dixie's doing. I wanted this 15-minute to hold, this up candle. I didn't want them to come any down further, so I'd like them to come up and keep going up, but we are at the end of the day. I don't know how much of that counts. So what we're doing is we just come to the lowest time frame that we have, which is the 1 minute. We're looking into getting to that 30 seconds, but that requires a high subscription on this, and let's make use of this fast before we go down any further. I like that. I really do like that. That's even better. Not that US30 cares. They can just do this and shoot up, and then later come and take those lows. So my better entry would have been in here. But if everything was perfect, that's good. So we are most likely to take that 1 hour low. So when we take that 1 hour low, what will happen though? Are we likely to go down farther and just pull? What was this here? I don't know what that is. So everything, anytime